Hey, this is Dr. Jeff Camarda, folks, and I just want to let you know that we're proud to be a DFA advisor. You know, DFA funds were recently featured yet again in Barron's, and we thought you might enjoy this excerpt from the article that's footnoted in the text copy on email or in our newsletter. So this is Barron's, not us. Barron said in an excerpt, "For decades, mutual funds run by dimensional funds advisors have been the forbidden fruit for do-it-yourself investors. They were top performers with low fees, but you couldn't buy them unless you hired a financial advisor who had gone through a training program with Dimensional, also known as DFA. Those advisors could be pretty hard to find. DFA is the pioneer of investing with an emphasis on factors which the firm calls dimensions, such as size, value, momentum, and profitability. And what's more, DFA takes an active approach to trading. While factor index funds are turning their portfolios over, DFA is waiting patiently to get in and out of its positions, buying when other funds are selling and selling when other funds are buying to maximize returns and minimize taxes." In an emailed statement, a DFA spokesperson said, and not for the first time, that we have a long track record of combining rigorous academic research with dynamic implementation. I thought that was pretty cool. DFA funds are special. They're hard to get. We're fortunate to be able to access them for you, and I thought you might enjoy it. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, this is Dr. Chef Camarda.